Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be talking about products I love under $5. So what I did basically is I looked through all my makeup and I found products that were $5 or under. So I made sure I didn't pick any products that were over $5. It's strictly under. So if something was like $5.01, it's not going to be in this. It's going to be, it can be $5, but it can't be any more than $5. Makeup's expensive, and I know that not everyone has the money to just go out there and buy a full face of makeup. So if you're watching these videos to find like products that you're gonna love, nobody has the money to just go out and buy, oh, here's an eyeshadow palette, I love that, and it's like $50, and okay, now let me buy this foundation that's like $45, and then it's a lot of money, especially to buy high-end things. So, and I know this as well because growing a makeup collection is hard because everything costs money, and so that's why I stick to more of the drugstore makeup, just because, you know, it's cheaper. Not that it's necessarily bad quality, but it is easier on the wallet, so to speak. So these are all products that are under $5, and I didn't pick anything in my collection that I don't absolutely love and would not want to recommend to people because, again, like I said, makeup is expensive, and if you're watching this video and you're trusting me and you're trusting my opinion, I don't want to ruin your trust by telling you something's amazing if I don't actually think it's amazing. So all these products that I'm going to be mentioning are ones that I love, I stand by, and that I would definitely recommend going out and purchasing with your hard-earned money. Let's just hop into this. I will be telling you the prices of everything, and I'm sorry in advance of how much Wet n Wild makeup there is. I just love them, and they, as a brand, put out amazing products for such an affordable price, and I still don't understand how they do it, but they do it. So again, I do apologize. This video is not sponsored by them in any way. They don't even know who I am, but I just really do love their brand and love their makeup and love what they're doing, and we're gonna go on. I'm a mess today, and we're moving on. Okay, here we go. So since it is such a massive part of this video, I'm just gonna start off by talking about Wet n Wild. I do love Wet n Wild. I love them so much, and you've probably heard me talk about them before, and you might be thinking by now, you need to shut up about Wet n Wild, but I will never shut up because I love them. They are my favorite. But they're highlighters. I love these highlighters to death. Now, I only have 2 of them in my collection, but they are so amazing. I bought Precious Petals first, which is the one you've probably heard about. So it is gold, and I am fair, but I feel like when I wear this, it doesn't look too dark for my skin, and most of the time gold highlighters look too dark for me, so I have to stay away from them. But this one, I feel like it's just perfect. So that's what I love about this, not to mention the formula. The formula is amazing. And then I have another one in the shade Blossom Glow. This is more of a pink pearly kind of highlight, and it's stunning as well. I love this formula. It gives you that blinding glow. These are not for the faint of heart, so if you're not wanting a really awesome blinding highlight, then I wouldn't recommend these to you. I do personally like a nice blinding highlight. These retail for $4.99 a piece, so $5. I don't think that's bad, especially for the product you're getting. It is an amazing highlighter. It's definitely high-end quality, and I would definitely recommend these to anyone who wants a nice pop-in highlight. Okay, next is something I literally have not shut up about on my channel, and you're probably gonna tell me to shut up this time. You know what? Go for it. The Wet n Wild blushes. So I have 3. These are the Color Icon blushes. I have 3. They retail for $2.99 each. Girl, let me tell you, these are very comparable to a high-end blush. I have the shades Rosé Champagne, Apricot in the middle, and Mellow Wine. Now, I will tell you that they do have shimmers in them, so if you don't like shimmers, it might not be for you. But Mellow Wine does not have shimmers in it. This is an all matte blush, and this one's beautiful. So all the lighter ones are shimmers, but honestly, that doesn't bother me because when I put it on my face, it's not like a burst of glitter, like glitter threw up on me or something. It's just a slight sheen, and it looks really pretty. Like, it just gives you a fresh glow to your skin, and it looks really pretty, and I love these blushes. The formula is amazing, the packaging is amazing, the product is amazing, the colors are amazing. I love this product, and this is something you should definitely check out if you've been looking for a really good inexpensive blush. Okay, so another Wet n Wild product that I love is Wet n Wild's eyeshadow. Like, just their eyeshadow in general. So I have a lot of palettes right here that I want to talk about. So they do have their, like, triplets. They're now quads. but they used to be triplets. So I have my old one, and it's the Walking on Eggshells triplet. Now it has like a matte shade in it. So this is what I have to show you. The new one does include a matte shade as well as these 3 shades right here. This does retail for $2.99, and I think it's definitely worth every single penny. This is one of the first eyeshadow palettes I bought when I started getting kind of into makeup. This is just a really nice, everyday, beautiful kind of look to your eyes. It's nothing like super way out there and like intimidating or anything. If you're trying to get into eyeshadows, I would definitely recommend Wet n Wild's formula. It is the best at the drugstore. Now, the drugstore is very lacking, in my opinion, in eyeshadows. A lot of them are just chalky and not pigmented, and they just don't blend well, but that is not Wet n Wild. Wet n Wild's shadows are amazing, like so freaking good, and you need to get these in your life. So if you're looking for like an eyeshadow to start your collection, and you're kind of intimidated by eyeshadow in the first place, I would look into the Wet n Wild Walking on Eggshells trio because it's a more natural, everyday kind of look. Moving on from that, I do have 3 Wet n Wild palettes. They're the bigger palettes, and these retail for $4.99 a piece. Now, these are the older packaging. So this is the Comfort Zone palette, and like I said, it is in the old packaging. Right now, these old packaging on Wet n Wild's website are on sale for $2.49 a piece, which is amazing. So if you're wanting to get the old one, then you can get it right now on Wet n Wild's website for $2.49. This is what Wet n Wild's new packaging looks like. This is the Comfort Zone new palette, and this is the new one compared to the old one. The new one does come with 2 new shades, and this retails for $4.99 as well. Again, the formula is the same as the little trios or the now quads. They're amazing. They're so pigmented. They're out of this world. Now, all of them in this palette are shimmer, but with the new one, if you can't get your hands on the old one, the new one does have 2 matte shades, and I think it's definitely worth your money. But I do have mine in the shade Comfort Zone. I have one in Petal Pusher, which is a bunch of purples, and then I have a colorful one called Poster Child. Now, I do not think they have this one anymore. When they revamped it, I think they completely got rid of this one, and I don't know if they have Petal Pusher either, but again, in the old packaging right now on Wet n Wild's website, you can get them for $2.49. Okay, so this is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette Contour. I think that's a weird name. It should just be contouring palette, but I didn't make this palette. So anyway, I have 2, and I think these are the only 2 shades they come in. I have Dulce de Leche, and I have Caramel Toffee. These are the 2 side by side with Dulce de Leche and Caramel Toffee. Now, I do personally get more use out of Dulce de Leche because it is lighter, and the contour works better on my skin. This one looks muddier only because it's darker and it's not really my shade. So that's nothing against this palette. But this is the one I get the most use out of. This is Dulce de Leche, and this is a lighter kind of pinkish looking shade, but it's also like not pink, but it has like a hint of pink to it, you know what I'm saying? But it's basically gonna brighten your under eyes or brighten wherever you put this powder. And then this one is for contouring, obviously. I love this palette. I love, love, love this palette. I love to set my under eye with this, and I love contouring with this shade because I think they are so beautiful and they blend like a dream, and it's amazing, and it is only $4.99. Plus, like, look at the pan size. This thing is huge. It'll take you forever to go through this. I love this Wet n Wild Mega Slim Skinny Mascara. This retails for $4.99, and I think this is just amazing for the bottom lash line. I've always struggled with getting mascara like underneath my eye once I'm done because the wands are always so big and so annoying. But Wet n Wild came out with this Mega Slim Mascara, and here's the wand right here. It is tiny, oh my gosh, and it just gets into the bottom lashes so well and coats all of them, and it looks stunning, phenomenal. Love this. Oh, also they do have a waterproof one now too. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Catsuit Matte Lipstick, and I have like 5 of these things, but I wanted to pull this color specifically because I personally love it because it's like my type of color and it works really good for my skin tone. It's in the shade Rebel Rose. I would highly recommend all of their liquid lipsticks. I just pulled this one because I didn't want to hold all the ones that I had up, you know. Anyway, this retails for $4.99. This is one of the best formulas that I have used at the drugstore. I freaking love this thing. It is not super drying, and it lasts a significantly long time. And I've never had problems with it. Love the colors. They have so many colors out right now. It is like insane. They just added like blues and like bright oranges, and like It's crazy, but I love it. And I love these. I love these so much and I wear them all the time and I would highly, highly, highly recommend them. Okay, and last product from Wet n Wild is the Wet n Wild lipstick in the shade Bare It All. This is one of the first lipsticks that I bought, so it has a special place in my heart because it was one of the first ones I bought. But I love this color and I love this shade, and it retails for $2.49. I think these lipsticks are really amazing. They're not the most creamy that I've ever tried on my lips, but I mean, for the price, I can get over that because, you know, but it's not like super drying or anything. So let's talk about e.l.f. I love this highlighter. It is an amazing highlighter. I think it's great. You do have to scratch the top off of this, but this is the e.l.f. highlighter in Moonlight Pearls. This is an amazing highlighter. It retails for $4 and I just think it's absolutely stunning. Formula is weird. Like if you're just rubbing the top when you first get it, like nothing's gonna come out of your hands, so you have to like scratch the top off. And then I found that as I kept going, like there got a certain point where I had to scratch it again. But I mean, other than that, I still really love this highlight, and for $4, doesn't bother me. Okay, next is the e.l.f. liquid lipsticks in the shade Praline and the shade Blushing Rose. So these two, I love these. I love these so much. And I'm gonna tell you why. I first tried these and I was super excited because look at the packaging. That's like so sleek. These retail for $5 and I want the entire line. They are not drying. They last a super long time. Beautiful colors. I want more. And the last e.l.f. product I want to talk to you guys about is the e.l.f. and I think this is called like their lip exfoliator, and I have mine in this shade Clear. So it's basically just like an exfoliator, but it comes in like a lipstick format, so there's no mess. And that's what I love about this product is, like, if I want to exfoliate my lips, usually you have to get like an exfoliator and rub it all over, and then there's like mess and then the little beads are everywhere, and it's just not ideal, and it takes too long. I don't like that. This one is amazing because it's in the lipstick form, so all you have to do, take it, rub it on your lips like a lipstick, and you're done. Like, that's it. And it's so easy. I just love this thing. It retails for $3 and it's worth every penny. Highlighter from Essence. It is their Pure Nude highlighter in the shade Be My Highlight. Now this is a great highlight. Now in the pan it doesn't look like much. It looks like a weird powder thing and you're like, why would I put that on my face? But let me tell you, it is a really soft, subtle highlight, but you can also build it up. Now it is more on the gold side, but I still find that with my fair skin, I can still use it as long as I don't overuse it. This retails for $4.49 and I love this. I love the formula of it. I think it gives you a beautiful, nice glow from like within. And the last product from e.l.f. I want to share with you guys is the e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss in the shade Champagne Glam. I talked about this before on my channel. I love this gloss. It's my favorite gloss. I'm gonna buy like 45 of these if I ever run out of it. I just think it's perfect, stunning. It goes on any lip color. You can wear it without a lip color underneath. I just love this thing, and it also retails for $5, and they have many other shades, but this is the only one I have and I love it. Alright, and the last product I want to share with you guys is the Rimmel Stay Matte Long Lasting Pressed Powder in the shade Translucent. Obviously, you can tell this thing is loved. I've gone through like 4 or 5 of these things. I use this to set my face every day, my entire face anyway. I use this every day and I love it so much. I really do think it makes a difference. I think it keeps my face more matte and I think it is beautiful. It doesn't make my makeup look super cakey or powdery or anything, and I just really, really love this powder. Alright guys, and that completes everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. These were all my products that I love that are under $5, nothing over $5. I'm not going to cheat you like that. But if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'm going to do a favorite products under $10 in the future. Obviously, I won't be including any of these things in here. If this was helpful in any way, please leave me a comment down below and let me know. And if there's anything I should check out or anything that you've been loving that's under $5 that I need to have in my life, then please let me know down below. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. It means a lot to me, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!